How long does a bank transfer take on Kraken? Intro. Hey there, you've just sold a crypto asset and want to cash out. You need the money ASAP. You've heard about Kraken, a popular crypto exchange, but you're unsure about how long it takes for a bank transfer to go through. Let's dive in and find out. Why Kraken? Kraken is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange known for its security, liquidity, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. It's a popular choice for both beginners and experienced traders. When it comes to cashing out, one of the options is to withdraw your funds via bank transfer. Factors affecting transfer speed. Bank processing times. The speed of your bank transfer can vary depending on your bank and its processing times. Some banks are faster than others. Kraken's processing time. Kraken also has its own processing time for verifying and initiating bank transfers. This can vary based on the volume of transactions and other factors. Weekend and holiday delays. Transfers initiated during weekends or holidays might experience delays due to reduced bank operations. Verification requirements. If you're withdrawing a large amount or haven't verified your identity with Kraken, additional verification steps might be required, potentially slowing down the process. The typical timeline. While there's no exact time frame, here's a general breakdown of what you can expect. Initiating the withdrawal. Once you've placed a withdrawal request on Kraken, the platform will start processing it. This usually takes a few minutes. Bank processing. After Kraken has processed your request, the funds will be sent to your bank. The bank's processing time varies, but it typically ranges from a few hours to a couple of days. Settlement. Once your bank receives the funds, they'll need to process and settle the transaction. This can take additional time, depending on your bank's policies. Tips for faster transfers. Verify your identity. Ensure that your identity is fully verified with Kraken. This can expedite the withdrawal process. Choose a faster bank. If possible, consider using a bank known for its quick processing times. Avoid weekends and holidays. Try to initiate withdrawals during weekdays to minimize delays. Check Kraken status updates. Keep an eye on Kraken status updates or social media channels for any announcements regarding potential delays or disruptions. Real-world examples. User testimonial 1. I recently withdrew a significant amount from Kraken. The process was smooth, and the funds reached my bank account within 24 hours. I was pleasantly surprised by the speed. User testimonial 2. I had a bit of a wait during a weekend withdrawal. It took around 3 days for the funds to appear in my bank account. However, I understand that weekend delays are common. Conclusion. While the exact time frame for a bank transfer on Kraken can vary, understanding the factors that influence the speed can help you manage your expectations. By following the tips mentioned earlier and choosing a reliable bank, you can generally expect your funds to arrive within a reasonable time frame. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.